The old bell tower stood at the heart of Willowbrook, its bronze bell untouched by sound. Children dared each other to climb its spiral stairs, but none ever heard a chime. One stormy night, Anna, a curious teenager, crept inside. Her flashlight flickered as she ascended. At the top, she found Mr. Harris, the oldest villager, polishing the bell. "Why doesn't it ring?" she whispered. He smiled sadly. Long ago, when the town quarreled, the bell was silenced. People believed its sound would bring more arguments. Anna looked out over the dark, silent town. "But what if it brings us together?" she asked. Mr. Harris handed her the rope. "Only if wrung with hope." Anna hesitated, heart pounding. Should she break the silence? The storm raged, thunder echoing. She pulled the rope. The bell's deep note rolled across the rooftops. Lights flickered on, doors opened. Neighbors gathered in the rain, drawn by the sound. For the first time in decades, they spoke, really spoke. As the storm passed, Anna remembered a quote. "The wound is the place where the light enters you." Healing had begun. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the content. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, tell the people that you love them.